Now here's the 4 coins, named because you use 4 coins in 2 hands. A coin goes in each hand just like this, and the other coins go on top of the fingers, but someone else has to do that part, otherwise the magic won't work. So you get someone to help you, one on top, and then a bit of a flick, and guess what's happened? We've got 3 in one hand and 1 in the other. Now the secrets. You do only have 4 coins and 2 hands, of course. You place 1 coin in each hand, just like that, and 1 coin on top of each hand. Now here's the tricky part. As you turn your hands over, you need to grab one and let go of the other 2. So one hand is empty and the other hand has got 2 coins in it. And then the assistant comes along and does what she has to do. A bit of a flick, and the magic is done. There's 3 in one hand, 1 in the other.